next floor is lower now, which is the 12th floor. And then we're talking now about diplomatic floor. Again, diplomatic a mixture of a executive and then junior at the sides. This one is an executive junior suite judges. And then 7 guest rooms. Small ones. Okay, ang BMU is not NDC, wala lang. Anything na antenna, wala lang natin sa Pinas. Okay, so this is the diplomatic. We have a diplomatic is executive lounge. We are now on the 10th floor. 10th floor is where the diplomatic is.
Meeting. Stop. My title. You're my title. Ipaprint ang lagi.
Okay, this is the diplomatic floor. Kita naman yung layout kanina sa diplomatic.
Uy, parang kina.
So this is executive suite. Okay, on the 11th floor, before above the diplomatic suite, meron siyang dugay niya siya na discuss. The story of this is that ang executive suite na siya view sa terrace sa diplomatic. And then, ang argument was, dili na ng diplomatic na makita siya magamit siya sa iyang terrace. So, hindi mong tanawon, ito is an executives kung nakakadiri, and then kung party ang diplomatic, so makita nimo ang ilalom. And then ang massing manggod at that time is that kung amo siya isaka ang mass, ang diplomatic, kaingon sa taas, mga siya yung module na masubra sa ilalom. If you can, inyong ma-imagine ba? Kung amo isaka ang diplomatic, and then naadre ang executive sa ilalom, ibaliktad na mo, na isubra sa ilalom, which is itanaw ng management na okay, asa man yun? Either you want to proceed with patulang kuan na makita sila sa ilalom, or you want to add another na module. Okay? Then later, so na-decide nila, I said, oh okay, it's okay lang. Makita sila dito. So that's why naano siya yung balcony. Just to really siya 100% na makadungaw sa ilang terrace sa diplomatic. This is a balcony of the executive. So makita niyo there is a line below ng terrace ng diplomatic. This one is the above ng diplomatic executive. So nasa balcony here para lang may interrupt ng gamay ang iyang direct na view. Pero makita ko niya. So this one is another is a mixture. So meaning it's a mixture gyapon of a standard desk, and then this one is a twin. If you notice ang twin na bed, nasa more of a length, a depth, kaysa standard na desk, mamubo lang siya. Because ang standard is having a twins bed lang or king's bed. This one is a two bed na I think is single. Okay? Now I think lahit ba yung atong ang selection niya ang ingon itag single na bed o ang single na bed sa hotel na sizing lahi So kato yung piliyatong furniture na really suited for hotel na single or yung queen's bed or king's bed na ginagamit din sa hotel. Right? Okay, so okay, that is 11. Now, makita na natin dali ang what is really in the core. So ito yung na to. Parang common na to siya when it comes in the core, kaingon na sa pinaka-last na floor. Okay? Sa bottom na floor. Here, una ta diri sa this one is the elevator, and then elevator lobby, and then don't forget na naa siya toilet for the housekeeper on this floor. Ang LC room, okay, para lang ma-stop ni, is a telephone room, and this one is a electrical, okay? Pag makita nyo sa plan na LC, low current, that is related to electronics, okay? Mga panel for electronics such as communication, automation, and so on. And then this one is a housekeeping pantry. Anything na nanalitan na humay na-observe ang food sa room, then kuhaon na siya. Ang mga plato diri na nila butang before they transport it pababa. Okay, padaghanon sa na nila diha, and then they will transport it at one time. Okay, and then dito we have provided a linen chute. Yung katong mga hugaw na chute, directly pilit na nila laton, directly ito nila sa chute. Ang mabili nang diri mga plato, mga inso. Okay.
Garbage chute, so pwede siya sa first.
Pwede man. Pwede siya. Okay. Elevator.
Diyan. Pwede.
Okay, let's go sa 10th floor. same. Okay, notice the same gap po ng core na. Wala yung sub. Now, preferably yun ang core is katong mention ako in the early part na nag-start ka sa class, ang core is like a spinal cord sa tao. Ang wirings na na dito. Anything happens, pag na-maintenance issue, dali na matrace sa dapit. Kaysa mo siyang bulag-bulag. So, dali na niya matrace asa ang needed to access, asa ang taon ani. Okay? Even sa atong sanitary pipes. That's why it's very important na pag na multiple floors ka, you really have to arrange yung shaft. Later we will discuss that one. That's why the core is very important sa isa ka multi-story na building. Okay, now again, this is the diplomatic attached with a guest room as required by Kempinski. And this is the diplomatic, nakita niyo yung layout ko kanina. And then this is the race. Okay? And again, yung other na rooms are associated with the board. Okay, I think common na to siya sa ilalim. I think on the 9, this one is typical, and the second, and the first, and then let's go sa ground. Okay? Now, ang ground is a bit of a very chaotic na plan. Dagang kayo siya kay elements ay we'll try to discuss. Sorry, point. Okay. The shaded one is a outer space landscape. Okay. And then there is an entry here. This is the gate of the hotel. It's a gated property. Kasi of the security reason. Okay? Ang mga pinapili ng mga okay, this one is a very secured place with gate and fence. There's a security here. And then before you arrive, makita na ka sa nilang mga CCTV before you reach in this area. That's why ang hotel was pushed back kasi of this reason, security. Or prevent yung anything na necessary na or unforeseen events na due to what?
Everyday.
Okay? And then, if you're talking about 5-star hotel, ang iyang entry gate is very grand. Silipin mo siya pwedeng ang iyang drop-off area ka ng ipin din tayo. Lagin siya proper na width of the road and then proper na twirling. Then every time you will try to have a drop-off area, it is good na magpuan yun mo. A 3-lane will be enough. Okay? If you notice here, ilan ka lane? Upat ka lane. Tingnan naman. Ang crowd ay pag-park, kaning uban, diretso rin sa pan. Dili na sila ma-block sa katong nag-park. Okay? So, very fun na space. Walay tipid-tipid sa iyang frontage, sa iyang entrances. Okay, because we are aiming to have a very grand entrance. Ang imong entrance lobby very grand, but your drop-off area is not tayo, but you go in the experience. Okay? This one is now on the left hand side, this is the ground punta na sa basement. So imagine I don't know if we really need to consider yung security before going down sa basement. In this country, we really put consideration sa security before they go down sa basement. They must pass the security na house. Did you consider yung scenario natin before entering the car park or property na merong mag-check and the car will be stopped and then slightly check? Na-consider na niyo sa flow, okay? Because in here, it is necessary talaga yan. I think required siya ng police every property na apology lang siya i-record. Okay, that it will be the consideration of entrance exit. This will be parking and then landscaping is a very one of the considerations sa 5-star na rating. So, kailangan yung landscape nyo is would also kanang grande landscape. Okay, so now notice here dalawang entrance ng hotel. Okay? Why? Because merong entrance ang ballroom na side, merong entrance ang hotel lobby. Now, I think some of the group have considered na ang ballroom has or will have ang ballrooms nila mga floor na they assign a certain elevator para lang sa mga boat at sa function area. I think that is a reasonable kasi gusto in this case we also think about that of separating this group from the hotel side. Because again, not all the money ani is sa hotel lang siya. Maybe they will attend an event, pero dili sila matulog sa hotel. Okay, that's why merong dalawang entrances ito. And then, etong hotel na to has a casino. Okay, not all na ato sa casino, ato sa hotel matulog. So, automatically, bawas din sila. Pwede sa hotel na side, pwede sa ballroom na side. But, proximity-wise, malapit lang siya for security reason. Okay? Now, so let's explore natin yung flow ng lobby. How really lobby is, yung function ng lobby is very important to set the mood. Okay, set the mood. And then yung parang ma-feel na ng guest na he is entering in a very 5-star na experience. Consider this one. I think I've seen your perspective sa lobby. I hope it is a preliminary because I think medyo nagkulang din sa time, no? Pero a hotel lobby of 5-star is very important. I achieve any project. I really need to really accept a right now, I mentioned this, I think one of the class natin I mentioned, ang role ng architect is to set the behavior. Okay? Pwede mong i-direct ang behavior, pwede mong i-set properly. Okay? So that is the tangible side. Okay, now lobby. Ayaw kayo pinunta ng lobby. Lobby is a lobby here. Okay? Ayaw kayo sa i-tipid of space. You have plenty room sa ground. Okay? Ang lobby is something like the first na space ng ilang matuan. And then it should have a proper image of a 5-star hotel. Now, in this case, sa entry pa lang, it will be met by a yung dito sa diagram nyo, sa una nila ng bell, bellboy. Okay, they will be dropped here, and then ay mga personals dito sa hotel, they will meet them, and then try to arrange their luggage kung needed, and then directly at the entrance, naaalala na ang luggage areas. Okay? I pantry for welcome drink, actually. This one. But I guess really gusto niya. It's where they prepare the welcome drink. Because this one is a resort and hotel. It's not a business type. So they will prepare the welcome drink dito, and then they will be serving sa lounges. Okay? And because of security reason, ang lahat ng baggage dito will be scanned by a scanner. Okay, will be scanned actually, nasa luggage ka na here, and then after that, pag bumalik ka sa scan, they will store temporarily before nila isapa yung luggage. Okay? Now, notice here ang flow ba? Sulod nilang luggage, scan, temporarily store, and then adto sila ng door, magawas, and then kung sa may sunod, adto sila sa elevator. Kung sa elevator gamitan, is a service elevator. So notice here, what? Okay, this one. Okay, enter and guest with a certain amount of luggage. Isulod sa bellboy, scan, temporary store, gawas ng door, and then nearby is a service elevator. Okay? So, ingana ang flow sa luggage. And then, ay other na relevant na office spaces associated with the function of luggage, and safety deposit, and then back of house front offices. Okay, kaya siya, actually they are also associated with this function and luggages here, and even kaning sa front. Okay, kaning reception is where you ask them, okay, ako si kuan so and so nakabook ko for this date, and then mo niya akong booking this one, and this one will have that function. If in any case na sila need mo ni mga employees that would help the guests, dili ni mo hindi sila mahawa sa ilang lugar. These people ang help sila anything that they would need. And this guy, ano to? Front of house manager. Okay? Front office manager. This is the front office manager. I think, I question, sir, do we need to makita ang front office? No, hindi sila makita. Okay? Makita lang sila if needed na mag-go out sila. And then, notice the relationship of the reception area towards this one. Luggage, front manager, and then the back of house front offices. Okay? So, dual na kayo sila, dali na tawagon. Okay? Okay, I think that side, I think ang function niya natin rin. Now, okay, you have read sa Pincy guideline, I don't know if it is given dito pila ka book empleyado sa isang hotel. Wala, no? Wala. Management will identify that one, but sadly, in our case, people na-identify na sa amin how many employees needed in here, kung pwede lang ako i-point karon, I can really point out na these are the needed sa hotel. But you are actually proposing a hotel na twice large ani nga hotel. And then imagine kung saan ang empleyado na. Maybe gamay lang ang difference, okay? Let's say gamay lang ang difference, but wala mo ko ng trabaho sa hospitality management, that's why I cannot give you this number accurately. So what we need to do is we will approximate. Okay lang? Just to proceed with the design. So imagine here, you have a front office in the reception. Meron lang a bit of a corridor na makalink sa dito sa likod. Okay? Ayaw yun niyo i-detach ng mga tawhana from these guys. Okay? Anything happens or anything transaction is actually related ano ilang work diri. Kanilang sila mo ang nasa front. Okay? They are representing this large number of people at the back. Okay? So these are the admin offices. Ay mga big guys diri. Okay? So general manager, nasa secretary, and then nasa always pag naagani ang when you design an office space, office na layout, pag ang big boss gani directly din ana siyang tupad is a conference room. Okay? All give na sa iyan, directly connected na sa iyan, or adjacent sa iyan room. And then waiting lounges and so on. But in the Kempinski, they identify these people. Wala. Sila they identify, right? So you can identify how many of these offices, but ang kanin sa open offices, open areas lang, we don't know kung pila din nilang requiring nasa open plan. But as I've said, we will try to approximate. So ako ning input, we'll try to study this planning namin. Okay? Now, this is the admin side, and then I think na HR, accounting, sales, billing, and so on. Okay? For the sake of time, bilisan natin yung touch. Dagang ni siya offices here. But zoning wise, I would like you to understand that this small na space here is actually representing these people in Nagari. Okay? And then, okay, so another zone is from the lobby is yung all the dining. Okay? We're talking on this left side lang yun. Okay? Now, lobby directly or adjacent with the all the dining. And then, story na ako last time is that dili din lang sila mabuyaw. Very reluctant yung personal ng hotel na to check kung allowed ba ka mag-enter sa buffet. Ulaw kung mapangutangan ka. Okay? And it's very disrespectful. So that's why they avoid na nila. That's why it's the role of the design really to restrict or to give hesitation ba. Dili ka basta-basta masunod ng mga part. Okay. What intention here is that dining apart is a buffet, it's a all-day dining, and then it's a buffet, let's say, breakfast time, free man na siya sa hotel. So, one ka during apart, buffet, and then you will really enter this area. And then notice if mag-tindog diri lang without even asking, you will feel na hesitant to enter kung dili ka appeal sa kung nagsulisuroy lang ka sa lobby ba. So you will feel hesitant kung sa museum. That's why it's really important to set a nice entrance na dili siya discriminating, dili po siya nga nagka-open akong sa katong dili na matugid sa breakfast. Okay, nakuha niyo yung intangible na part ay nang. Okay. So this is the all-day dining. It can be a requirement and campaigns can be based on the number of rooms. So kung mao ni ang rooms, mao ni ang seating capacity. So mao ni ang all-day dining. Imagine this one is for the kanilang siya ang all-day dining for this small na hotel compared sa inyong ginapropose is twice as large as this. Okay? And then, ayaw kayo ipita ang mga avoid yung mga distances ng mga furniture na very tight. I know na may standards na just follow the standard. Even itong all-day dining, meron siyang lounges. Okay? And then here, dining space, and so on. Okay. And then this is a bar. And very informal na dining spaces. Okay, maybe some magkaon, mag-coffee, give dito sa table because gusto nila, mas prefer nila reading and then mag-coffee lang, drink, so on. So nakakay more of informal na dining na table. Now, yeah, okay. Okay, it's slatted ang column nito. Okay, so we'll talk about the back. Unsa ang back ani all-day dining? Ang back part ng all-day dining is syempre kitchen, towards kitchen na rin. Okay? Now, notice here, all-day dining, meron siyang requirement of a syempre public restroom. Now, public restroom here. And then this public restroom is also used by ikan sa lobby. Okay? Okay, now, ganito ang mangyayari niyan. If you are, ganito, if you are, nag-sit lang ka dyan sa lobby waiting for somebody, and then, or kahipon ka, probably you will be using this one. I think you need to use this one. Wala na, may line toilet na siya. Okay? We'll go inside here. Ito na space na to, but very reluctantly na napamon. Okay? That's why ano yung very kuha na space. Why may nga siya? Probably ang taxi ba? Kahipon man siya. Okay, toilet ko rin. Muna ako gusto kong taxi mo. Toilet ko sa hotel. You want to do that? Hindi mo siya. Pero hindi mo siya pugnan ha. Gamit sa toilet. What I'm saying is that utangan mo siya o gamay na ma-hesitate siya magamit pa. Okay? Pero kung needed di siya magamit, pagamit pa. May bawal. Pero nice situation. Okay? So that's why ang inyong toilet, ayaw siya directly doon sa lobby yun.
Sir, how about like sabi mo kanina na what yung mga tao there's no lang state nila mag-CR sa bawat pasok sa outbreak.
How to figure out on how to set a hesitation para mag-hesitation.
Sabi mo si Ann Victoria
Sabang.
sa unahan.
Di ba during breakfast sa hotel, I don't know, sa hotel, ginatanaw nila yung key card. Okay? And some, dili kayo nila ginatanaw. I don't know, probably makalusot yung iban, bawal, then, but, anyway, sa ilan na part. Okay? My intention is to give quite a bit of vegetation sa entrance pa lang. Okay, this is a public toilet. It can be used by the people waiting in the lobby and also from the dining, all the dining pala. Okay, this is the toilet and the toilet is something more, again, public toilet. Kung ito yung compare, na-check ang may sophistication public restroom. Okay? So, nasa free, ito, wash basins here, nasa tunga, and then, urinal and so on. You believe it or not, kani toilet, aghan tinigiagitan nga version. Toilet na ha, aghan tinigiagitan nga version. Aghan tinigiagitan nga version pa. Version 1, version 2, version 3. Toilet pa lang na siya. Okay? Ha? Kani siya yung all, and then isulod na sad ka, and then you have a central wash basin area, and then tayo mga toilet upstairs on the side. Now, again, avoid putting a door na pag-abring makita dahil ang nagamit sa toilet. Okay? So, wala siya yung nakuha. Actually, pwede na rin siya walay door din. Pwede na siya, but para lang ma-prevent ang foul na odor or anything na soap na odor to the sa dining space. And I think previously also sa guideline mayroong child care. Pwede ka mag-breastfeeding and then pwede ka mag-change diapers sa mga baby. And then disabled toilet, very kalipili here. And there is I don't know how you will solve a disabled toilet. Na siya baylo ha. And then I think most of the time, wala man yung space sa disabled toilet. Hindi kayo katuyok ang wheelchair sa sulod. Okay? Also, sa Kibinski, there is a janitor area where he puts his equipment or anything cleaning. And kani, I don't like the placement of the door, kani. You should need really to hide this door. Na dili ko siya makita as much as possible by the guests. Okay? Lobby lounge, pantry, I think line sa guideline. The function of that is related to dining. Okay. Forget about this part. One is a staff accommodation sa hotel, and this one is not required in yung plate. So this one is a staff accommodation. So lahat ng employees, not lahat, but those are, I think, yung foreign na employees in yung hotel, they will be housed in this building. Okay? So wala na siya required sa inyong requirement. So we'll be talking now yung connection ng kitchen. Ang kitchen is actually situated sa floor below aning part. Okay? Now, but there is a bit of a kitchen apart na naagay sa sa top. Okay? Because of the all the dining. Now, okay. So this is the entry or the door connecting the kitchen papunta ng all the dining space. So we have here a fine dining kitchen. I think I cooking area here. Storage. Wastewater. By the way, this one is with Kanina plan is actually we have consulted a kitchen specialist. Okay, so hindi kaya ng architect ito i-plan because there are some equipment na needed na wala na itong kabalo.
So, i-plan lang natin.
Okay, I will give you a point to that, but I think we need to really understand how the kitchen works without even specifying the equipment. Ang kaya natin dito is a flow sa kitchen, but not entirely very accurate because we have a kitchen specialist na doing more than it. Yes. Okay, so these are the parts of the kitchen. Dishwashing. Now, one more thing about this one is that now, on this part of the kitchen, ito na yung parang prep area and some storages na ready to serve. And then the really kitchen is the lower ground. Okay, so this is the all-day dining, and then there is a al fresco dining because ano siya pool on this side. So another day we are talking about here. This is the all-day dining space. There's a landscape in front of it, and then pool. And this is the lobby. Actually, parang two-story lobby. We're entering onto ground, and then this is the lower ground. Okay. So I think my scenario na you have really a good space for landscape, but i-close out ni mo sa imong all the dining. Sayang siya. So you need to really associate that one or makita siya sa all the dining space mo ay siya i-block because one of the important areas sa hotel na the guests would really stay long all the dining. Okay? Ibigay na sila there. Okay, now let's go to I think okay, sa lower ground areas. And then after this, I will take attendance and we'll continue on the next class. Now, guys, after learning, I don't want you to wait for another class before you act. We have seen unsa pa important on time. We are now in the week 8. Then we will be submitting this one probably. Probably now, ganito, I will tell you the scenario. If you submit on week 13 and we will have a presentation the whole week on week 14 and then pananglitan lang. Dili gyud ka kuan. And then you will give me a time of 1 week, week 15 to really think of giving you another chance to present. Unsa man siya. So next term na lang po yung presentation.
Dili lang.
I'm telling you the scenario. This one I learned sa other batches. And then hopefully dili na siya. Every time nag-change ko sa ako requirements because of what I've learned sa other batches. Kaya man, ilang mo kabuok.
Some count. Appreciate pa that's your idol, stoic.
Muna to yung joke. Muna to yung smile. Muna to yung smile.
Laugh ko siya ako. Hindi lang ko mag-laugh mas na ako. Wow! Ano man yan?
Papagod din.
Required ba yan? Master plan. Diba ang master plan time there sa my floor plan?
Required ang
right?
program.
Yes. Okay.
We don't know. Depends.